What if success is not luck, but a formula you can learn? What if your thoughts can actually create your future? In this video, I will explain one of the most powerful success books ever written, Think and Grow Rich, in simple English. The first lesson is simple. Everything starts with a strong desire. If you really want success, you must have a clear goal. Not, I want money, but exactly how much money you want, and more importantly, why you want it. Weak desire gives weak results. Strong desire creates strong action. The second lesson is belief. You must believe that you can achieve your goal. Even if nobody supports you, even if you fail many times, your belief should stay strong, because your mind works on what you believe. If you believe you can win, your actions will change automatically. The book talks about auto-suggestion. This means repeating your goals again and again. Every day, tell yourself, I will achieve my goal. I am becoming successful. This trains your subconscious mind, and slowly your brain starts working towards your goal. Success is not about knowing everything. It is about knowing the right things. Learn skills that are useful. Learn things that can help you grow. For students, it means focus on important subjects, build skills, keep learning daily. Knowledge plus action equals success. Most people fail because they give up too early, but successful people never stop. They fail, they learn, and they try again. Persistence is the key. If you keep going, success becomes inevitable. Your biggest power is your mind. If you control your thoughts, you control your life. Remove negative thinking. Avoid people who discourage you. Focus only on growth, because your thoughts become your reality. So the message of this book is simple. Think clearly, believe strongly, work consistently, and success will follow. If you want more simple English book summaries, follow this channel.